Hi everyone, how's it going? One of the systems in your body is the urinary system, also known as urinary tract. We're going to start a series of videos regarding the anatomy and physiology of the urinary system and their diseases. I'm going to be demonstrating an overview of the urinary tract. Hopefully by end of this series, you will get a general concept of how it works. We're not going to go into details in this video. If you're not a healthcare professional, don't worry about the level of difficulty. Also, don't panic when hearing medical jargon. I'm going to give you the equivalent of them in plain English. By the way, I'm using Blender now. Blender is an application that allows you to make three-dimensional models and animate them. You can download Blender from their website for free. Regarding the model that we are using, I bought it from the website cgtrader.com, and the name of the person who made this model is mentioned in the description below. I think he did a great job with this model. Alright, let's get started. So the first question is, where are the kidneys located in the abdomen? In surgical anatomy, we divide the abdomen into 4 quadrants to have a better understanding of the organs. So let's get closer to our model. And I'm going to choose the pencil to draw 2 lines. So the first line is a vertical line that connects the base of the breastbone, aka sternum, all the way down to the pubic bone. Like this. And then I'm going to draw another line which is horizontal and connects the right flank to the left one. In this way, I'm going to have 4 quadrants: right upper, right lower, and left lower quadrants. And then I'm going to remove the skin and all the abdominal organs to see the urinary tract. So you can see right kidney and left kidney that are located in the right upper and left upper quadrants, respectively. Now I'm going to erase these 2 lines. Meanwhile, you can see the kidneys on top of the picture. 2 tiny tubes that come off the kidneys, go all the way down to the bladder, which is located at the bottom of the picture. You can also see the section of 2 major vessels of the body. One is the red one, which is named aorta, and the other one is the blue one, which is named IVC, which stands for inferior vena cava. Now the red one, aorta, provides the abdominal organs such as kidneys and lower extremities with the fresh blood, while the blue one, IVC, takes the blood back to the heart for the new round of circulation. Now let's discuss the concept of upper and lower urinary tracts. The upper tract includes whatever stands above the urinary bladder, which leaves us with kidneys and ureters. And then whatever is left, such as the bladder, urethra, and prostate, which are not shown on our model, are included in the lower tract. For now, let's focus on the upper system. So if you're wondering what is going on inside the kidney, this part of our talk is interesting. Let's get closer to the kidney. So you're looking at the kidney from the front, aka the coronal view. I'm going to cut the kidney in half to look into it. As you can see, the renal artery, this red vessel, divides into 2 divisions. One is anterior division that goes to the front, and posterior division that goes to the back of the kidney. And those in turn divide into smaller branches known as arterioles. And these arterioles in turn eventually make these tiny blue vessels called venules, which are part of the venous system. These small veins join to form the renal vein, which returns the blood to the systemic circulation. These terminal branches that we saw can only be seen under the microscope. As the blood goes through these tiny vessels, aka arterioles, it gets filtered and the urine is made. Then the urine goes through very small ducts until it reaches the yellow cavity, which is called the renal pelvis, beneath those vessels. And then the urine approaches the ureter and then goes all the way down toward the urinary bladder where it is stored. By the way, if you're wondering where this pair of artery and vein here go, they go to circulate the adrenal gland, which is located right above the kidney. We will discuss adrenal glands in the near future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next clip.